The Department of Islamic Studies, Division of Islamic and Oriental Learning, University of Education, Warmal Campus, Lahore, is a distinguished center of academic excellence. Under the guidance of Professor Dr. Wahidur Rahman, Director of the Division, and Professor Dr. Muhammad Shahbaz Manj, chairperson and a leading figure in the field, we offer BS, MPhil, and PhD programs in Islamic studies. Our programs are designed to develop critical thinking, research skills, and a deep understanding of Islamic thought. Our experienced PhD faculty includes Dr. Shahzada Imran Ayub, Dr. Muhammad Sajjad Malik, and Dr. Imran Hayat. With state of the art classrooms, a rich library, and the lowest fee structure among all universities, begin your journey with us where knowledge, values, and vision come together.